What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Jacelyn and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I am so excited because this is going to be my very first giveaway, and I am just so happy that I'm going to be able to share a product that I really like with one of you guys. So if you guys want to enter the giveaway, make sure that you guys stay tuned to the very end because I'll be giving you guys details on how to enter. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about a product that is supposed to help with your scalp. And yes, it is the Curlsmith Detox Microbiome Scalp System. I've been wanting to try this for a while now, and I finally have it and was able to use it, and now I want to share my experience with you guys. So the Curlsmith Detox Microbiome System is a 3-step system that has a primer, a shampoo, and also a conditioner. And the detox claims that it helps protect from pollution, external agents, and environmental damage, and it rebalances the scalp and creates the optimal environment for hair follicles. In order for you to have healthy hair, it all starts with your scalp. So you want to make sure that you have a healthy scalp in order to have healthy hair. For this video, I'm going to show you guys how to apply this product, what each product does, and I'll show you guys at the end how my hair looks. So if you guys are excited and want to see it, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first product is going to be the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer, and you put this on first before putting your shampoo. It is a pre-wash treatment for all hair and scalp types. It has a balanced prebiotics, fermented rice water, guarana extract, organic ginger root, dragon fruit juice, and organic wild nettle. So how do you apply this product? You want to make sure that you wet your hair thoroughly. I like to apply this on my scalp, and then I work my way down to my hair length. And this is a great product because it does have that slip that you need when you're detangling. So it was very easy for me to detangle my hair when applying this product, and it does a great job of clarifying your hair before adding the shampoo. Alright, so after this product, we're going to go in with the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic. So this is going to be the clarifying scrub shampoo for all hair types. And the ingredients in this product is the probiotic cultures. It has apple cider vinegar, organic ginger root, dragon fruit juice, eco-friendly scrub, organic wild nettle, and guarana extract. So how you apply this product, you want to make sure that you do not rinse off the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. The shampoo is what you add right after the Super Slip, and you want to make sure that you put this product in your scalp and just vigorously massage your scalp, making sure that you get in all of that first product out of your hair. After you rinse this product out, you're going to notice that your hair is going to feel very squeaky, and that is good because that is proof that this product is working. So the Postpartum Calming Conditioner is the last step, and this conditioner contains active postbiotics, hyaluronic acid, biotinical complex, peppermint oil, organic lavender, tea tree leaves, organic thyme oil. You guys, this conditioner smells so good. Actually, all these products smell so good, but the conditioner smells the best because it has that lavender and that peppermint oil. And I'm telling you guys, that peppermint oil definitely helps give your scalp the nice cooling sensation, and it just feels so like cool and refreshing to the scalp. So how I apply this, just make sure that you guys go ahead and wash that shampoo completely off. I like to apply a pretty good amount of the conditioner onto my scalp and just work that all the way through my scalp, working it all the way down to my ends. Hair is usually very soft and detangled by the time I'm already applying this product. And I do leave it on my hair for like 2 minutes because that's what it recommends. That way the cooling sensation from the peppermint oil takes into effect. So what I like to do is just go ahead and like wash my body and like shave or whatever, brush your teeth or whatever you do in the shower. That's what I like to do. Meanwhile, this is working in my hair. And after I take it off, my hair feels so nice, so soft, so clean, so detangled, so refreshed, and I am ready to hop out the shower and style my hair. Alright guys, so this is day 2, and I used the Curlsmith Hold Me Softly Styling Balm, and I also used Uncle Funky's Curly Magic Stimulator, which is a gel. And this is how my hair looks, you guys. My hair definitely feels a lot fuller, and it just feels so clean and like refreshed, and I absolutely love how this system works. It's like a spa for your hair. Like really, I'm telling you guys, I absolutely love how my hair felt in the shower. The pre-slip definitely works so good to detangle your hair. The shampoo really does a great job of making sure that your hair is clean and is taking all that gunk and buildup from all the products that you've used throughout the week. And the conditioner is by far my favorite product of all, because I just love the peppermint oil and the lavender oil working in your scalp. Meanwhile, you let it just sit in there for like 2 minutes. It really does give you like a cool tingling sensation, and it also helps with stimulating your scalp. And I just love how that felt. I feel like that was the part that was more like spa-like for me, because my scalp just felt so refreshed and just felt great. That is my take on these products. I absolutely love it. I feel like it really does a great job of bringing that pH balance back to normal, and also helping your hair with any environmental damage that it may have gotten throughout the week. All right, you guys, so there it is, my take on these products. Now, the most important part, the part that you guys probably all been waiting for, is how to enter the giveaway. So here are the steps to enter the giveaway. First and foremost, you guys already know, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel if you have yet to subscribe. Next, make sure you guys go to my Instagram page, hit that follow button on my profile, and make sure that you guys comment on the picture that I'm going to post with the Curlsmith Detox products, and make sure you guys tag a friend that is also going to enjoy these products. So there it is, how to enter the giveaway and my product review and opinion on these products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, you guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you had yet to subscribe, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button down below, or my little face icon will pop up right there. And most importantly, do not forget to turn on your notifications. That way you guys do not miss out on any more of my videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, loves. Mwah.